Right now, somewhere in the world, an algorithm is deciding what you see, what you buy, who gets rich, and who gets ignored, and you didn't vote for it. There are no robots marching in the streets, no evil AI face on a screen, yet decisions that shape economies, opinions, and even wars are being made silently in milliseconds by machines trained on your data. Every swipe, every click, every pause becomes fuel. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Control doesn't arrive loudly. It arrives as convenience. It arrives as recommended for you. So before asking whether AI will control the world one day, you need to ask something far more disturbing. What if it already does, and we just don't notice because it feels normal? When people hear the idea of AI controlling the world, they imagine science fiction scenarios, killer robots, metal armies, or machines declaring themselves rulers. But real power has never worked that way. Power is about influence, prediction, and decision-making at scale. Today, artificial intelligence predicts your behavior better than your friends do. It decides which news spreads, which businesses succeed, which voices get amplified, and which disappear. This video isn't about fear or hype. It's about understanding what control actually means in the age of intelligent systems. We'll explore what AI already controls, what it could control in the future, and whether humans are shaping AI or slowly handing over the keys without realizing it. Artificial intelligence already controls more of your life than most people are comfortable admitting. When you open social media, you're not seeing reality, you're seeing what an algorithm predicts will keep you engaged. AI decides which posts go viral, which ideas spread, and which opinions slowly disappear. In finance, AI systems move trillions of dollars every day through high-frequency trading, reacting faster than any human ever could. In healthcare, algorithms help decide who gets priority treatment. In hiring, AI filters resumes before a human ever looks at them. None of this feels like control because no one is forcing you. It feels smooth, efficient, and helpful. But that's exactly why it's powerful. Control today doesn't come from orders. It comes from shaping choices so subtly that you believe they were always yours. At the core of AI's power is data. Data is the raw material, and AI is the engine that turns it into influence. Every search, purchase, location ping, and online interaction feeds massive systems designed to predict human behavior. The more data AI has, the more accurately it can model societies, economies, and even emotions. Governments use this power for surveillance and security. Corporations use it for profit and market dominance. The uncomfortable reality is simple. Whoever owns the most data and the most advanced AI doesn't just understand the world, they can nudge it. They can anticipate protests, predict economic crashes, and influence consumer behavior before people even realize what they want. In the modern world, power no longer belongs only to armies or politicians. It belongs to those who control information flows. One of the biggest fears surrounding AI is the idea that it could become smarter than humans. This concept, often called superintelligence, doesn't mean AI suddenly becomes conscious or emotional. It means I could outperform humans in problem-solving, strategy, and long-term planning. AI already beats the best human minds in games that require deep foresight and pattern recognition. Now imagine that level of intelligence applied to economics, military strategy, or political negotiation. The danger isn't that AI wants control. The danger is that it might reach conclusions humans can't fully understand or challenge. When decision-making becomes too complex for human oversight, trust shifts from people to machines. And once that trust becomes dependence, stepping back becomes almost impossible. Despite all this power, AI doesn't exist on its own. It is built, trained, and deployed by humans. That means the real question isn't whether AI will control the world, but who controls AI? Right now, the most powerful systems are in the hands of a small number of governments and tech corporations. This creates a dangerous imbalance. Instead of a single AI ruler, the risk is concentrated power where a few players use AI to gain economic, political, and social advantage over everyone else. AI becomes a multiplier. It amplifies the goals, biases, and ambitions of those who wield it. In that sense, AI doesn't replace human power structures. It hardens them. So what stops AI from completely controlling the world? The first limit is that AI has no goals of its own. It only follows objectives humans give it. Regulation, transparency, and ethical oversight can slow reckless deployment. Decentralized and open AI systems can prevent power from being locked into a few hands. And most importantly, AI depends on humans for energy, maintenance, and direction. If alignment fails, AI becomes useless or dangerous, not dominant. The future isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans choosing how much control they're willing to give up in exchange for convenience. AI won't take the world by force. It will be handed power quietly, one decision at a time. So, can AI control the world one day? Not in the way movies show it. There won't be a moment when machines announce takeover or humans suddenly lose freedom overnight. Real control is quieter than that. It happens when systems become so efficient, so accurate, and so deeply woven into daily life that questioning them feels pointless. AI won't rule because it wants to. It will rule if humans stop paying attention. The future belongs to those who understand how these systems shape decisions, power, and opportunity. Because in the age of artificial intelligence, the most dangerous thing isn't an evil machine, it's blind trust. And the people who stay in control want to be the loudest or the strongest. They'll be the ones who learned how to think ahead while everyone else followed the algorithm.